Hello. In this video we brought to you a simple trick which is used to manage our Gmail account on our Telegram application via Gmail bot. Using the bot we can send, receive, forward Gmail messages, and also we can attach file, or generally we can use the bot as a Gmail app using our Telegram application. We made the video for educational purpose. You have to make sure that the bot is the correct bot before giving your personal information. If you believe this content is useful, consider subscribe. Our YouTube analytics show that more than 94% of our channel visitors are not subscribed yet. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.